It's a very efficient motor that blows water in all the places that you can't touch with a drying towel. Adams Polishes has been selling active pressure washers for a while now, and we all know that they're great units. They have become fan favorites in the car care industry. But Active Products has expanded into another aspect of car care, which is forced air. The Active S350 blower, which is a forced air unit, is a way to dry your car without even needing to touch it. Now, the single engine inside of this blower puts out dual motor-like performance, meaning it's a very efficient motor that puts out a lot of volume of air, but also a focused air that blows water mainly off of your car, but also out of the nooks and crannies of your grill, your mirrors, and all the places that hold water that you can't touch with a drying towel. Now, the reason this is called the S350 blower is because it puts out 350 miles per hour of speed coming out of the blower, which is more than enough to be able to dry your car. Now, as you can see, the S350 blower has the nice sleek design that we all know of Active Products. It comes with 3 different heads to connect to the expandable hose. It also comes with a wall mounting system that makes it really easy to put up in your garage. So all you have to do is hang it, click it on, boom, the hose expands, and now you're drying your car off as you pull it into your garage. Now, the wall mount isn't static, so you can actually take the unit on and off to make it easy to move around your car if you need access in other areas. Now, another element to the S350 blower is it runs at 75 decibels. So it's pretty quiet when you're using it, which makes it a little bit more comfort, better experience while you're drying your car without needing to touch it. It runs off a 15 amp breaker, so just your standard outlet in your garage. And it has these larger wheels in the back, rubber wheels, and it has the swivel casters up front. So you can easily move it around your car if you need to put it on the ground and roll it. Now, one of the cool things is the tip to the blower. This is a Venturi style turbo head that actually optimizes the airflow, making it a lot easier to dry your car with the S350 blower. Now, like we said before, we all know and love active pressure washers, but with the introduction of this S350 blower, we know you're gonna get that same performance that Active Products is known for, and you get to be able to dry your car without touching it, which absolutely reduces scratching, keeping your car looking amazing for a long time.